Hello everyone. If you want to use Instagram without any account, first open your browser, for example Chrome. On the top, tap on address bar and write instagram.com and tap on Instagram. Now you can use Instagram without any account. Tap on search icon. Now in Explorer, you can choose any category. For example, I choose this one. You can see any post or video. For Reels, tap on Reels icon. Now you can see any video from the Reels section. And after that, back to your home. If you want to see any page you want, on the top, tap on address bar and write instagram.com/ and write that page username. For example, I want to see Google page. And after that, tap on that address, tap on not now, and you can see Google page posts. Also, if you tap on show more, you can see more posts. For Reels, tap on Reels tab. You can see Reels video. But with this method, you can't see a story in Instagram. For see a story, we must use another method. For that, again open your browser, open Google, and search Insta Navigation. Tap on first one, Insta Navigation. Now in search box, write that page username or link. For example, tap on search. Now you can see that page profile, and if that page publish a story, you can see that page story. Tap on it. Now you can see any story you want, like Instagram, and from top you can download or close this page. Also, from this side, you can see that page post. Scroll down and tap on post. Now you can see that page post. Tap on it. You can watch that post video or image. Also, you can download or scroll down. You can tap on show comment and see that post comment section. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.